Hey everybody, B-Dog Jr. here. Still laying down on the job. I got the coils cleaned. I'll show you guys what they look like. They look brand new, man. See? Came out nice. Nice and shiny, like new. Hope it makes the refrigerator work. We shall see. I'll plug it in and see what happens. Oh, there's some dirt on top there. I have some more cleaning to do. The bottom side looks nice. So you guys you'll have a better angle at it than I do. I can't get up under there and look at it like that. So I may have to see if I can shove the vacuum cleaner up on the top side. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. I'll try to clean a little bit more before I plug it back in. See what happens. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the rest of that. Let's see. Not even hitting it. It looks like the bristles are going through there. Sits up under there pretty nice. You guys are my eyes right now. It's just this right side over here is kind of hard to get. Anyway, I'll try to get at it and get back to you guys. Try to get at it with this little narrow blade attachment. See if I can get on top of the coils. It just barely fits in there. Well, it's in there, but I can't tell if it's doing any good. So, try to move it around. Tear it up, cause all the refrigerant to leak out. Well, I would be buying a new one. Yeah, it's just a little bit of dust. I think it'll be okay. That electric to noise converter there. Okay, yeah, it does look quite a bit better. Get a light in there. Here we go. I'm going to call it good. We'll plug this thing back in here. Okay, this is where the fireworks happen. Hopefully not. You hear noise. It's the fan. Hopefully the compressor will kick on here in a second. I heard it click. Come on, make some noise. Come on, Mr. Compressor. In the eyes of the compressor. An old Joe Walsh tune. Actually, it was called In the Eyes of the Confessor. There's the fan. I cleaned it off too. It was pretty dusty. At least it works. The compressor, a couple of love taps here. No noise. Make some more clicks. Do something. And while we're waiting for something to happen here, I'll show you guys the data tag there. She was made in 1999, July 8th, 99. I think I'll try to tap on that relay box just a little bit, see what happens. Nada. Just come. Still nothing. Well, looks like I may be investing in a relay starter, compressor starter. So, I guess I'll close this video on out. Let you guys get back to whatever you're doing. B-Dog Jr. I just heard it click again. Hold on. Yeah, it clicked back off. Anyway, B-Dog Jr. over and out. You guys have a good one.